Hey, it's Delia, the bartending realtor. The mint is taking over the garden, so let's make a mojito. A mojito is a refreshing Cuban cocktail made of a few simple ingredients that is a perfect balance of sweet and tart. To make this cocktail, the items you're going to need are a muddler, a bar spoon, measuring cup, highball glass, club soda, lime wedges, granulated sugar or simple syrup, mint, light rum. We're using Detroit City Distillery summer rum, and ice. Now we're going to mix the drink. First, you start off by adding about 10 mint leaves into the bottom of the glass, 1 lime wedge, and crush to release the oils of the mint and the lime juice. We'll add about a tablespoon of granulated sugar. You can also use a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Add 2 more lime wedges. Crush again. Fill the glass with ice. Add 1.5 ounces of rum. Top with club soda. Give it a good stir to mix all of the ingredients. Top with the lime wedge. Add the little top of a mint. There you go. Cheers.